Hello everybody, today we are going to unbox Fire TV Stick 4K Max. So this one is a new one. It's pretty much an updated version of the old one 4K Fire Stick. This is how the box looks like. Has minor differences. So we'll open the box. Let's see what's inside. Here we have the remote, Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus. We have micro USB to USB. Have the Fire Stick itself. Fire TV from Amazon, HDMI. There is a manual. Hello. There is also. So HDMI female, HDMI male. On this side, I have a power adapter, Amazon, and so this is power cord. There's power here, and we have batteries for the remote. Let's take a look at the remote. There's plastic here. You can put two batteries here. So it says minus here, one there, like this. Should be like that. You can close the remote. Okay, then this. Let's take a look at the Fire Stick without the plastic. Fire TV. This. So to get power to it, you just need to plug in here where it says power. Make sure you plug it in the right side, this way. Okay, and this goes to the power adapter. Thank you very much for watching. This was the unboxing for Fire TV Stick 4K Max.